Guys, tonight is the night. Danny boy will cook for me.
I cook every night.
Ang tagal niya sinabi na one night I'll cook for you. So finally it's happening. What are we making, my love?
We're doing pasta. Ravioli. Red sauce. This recipe is from a family recipe that goes back 100 years. 2 years. 2 years. I made it up myself.
Okay, let's do it!
I'll be the main chef today and you're the helper.
Okay, cool.
So I just instruct you what to do.
Alright, no worries.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. So what we've got here, we've got ravioli. Get in focus. So it's already pre-made. Ingredients is onion. We use a whole onion.
Whole onion?
Whole onion.
Wow.
Ancient recipe. Very good. We got 7 mushrooms. So we're gonna do those as well. Half a clove of garlic. Salt. This here, I actually made this. That's true. Yeah, I'm not BSing you. I made this. When we make pasta sauce, we make hundreds of these, like hundreds and hundreds. True. So that's true. And this is the last one we got left. So we'll use this tonight. And we might use some of this one as well. This is like a pre-made one. Get in focus. And we got some Parmesan cheese as well. Bit of leftover, bit of new one. And we need the beef as well, my love.
Oh, sure.
Sure.
I gotcha.
Yep.
There we go.
So today we found a cow and we made our own beef, me and Raz, and we put it in this packet. Just very
so funny.
Thank you, my love. Thank you.
I'll wash this for you.
Don't even worry about washing it.
I'll wash it.
We don't wash it because we want it to be all natural from the earth. So if got a bit of dirt on it, it adds flavour. Okay.
I'll do the washing and then you do whatever you need to do.
I need to chop.
Okay, go chop that.
So.
Oh, what's that?
On the chopping board, please. Once it's done, we put it there. So we're going to chop these into...
Can they even see you?
Not yet, but I'll show. Just little fellas like that. That's what we're going to chop into.
Okay.
Okay. Do you like mushrooms?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you didn't.
Well, whatever, you say that all the time.
I thought you weren't a mushroom person. I'm serious.
No, you say that all the time, and I do. I like mushrooms.
Do we have capsicum? I reckon we might put some capsicum in it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
Okay.
Okay. Do you reckon?
I don't know, it's your recipe. Ah, we don't have a capsicum.
Nah, I don't think we need capsicum. I don't think it's going to work. Got plenty of mushrooms, my love.
You want to put that here?
Sure. No.
Okay.
Because we'll do the onion in there and the garlic in there. So.
Do you want me to help?
You can just dance. Just dance. That's it. Good dancing. That's all you need. Keep on dancing. Keep on dancing.
Sabay buang.
For me. So when you cook mushrooms, they get smaller.
I know that.
There you go. There's a little tip for you. This is not my main pasta recipe, by the way. I've got a white sauce special. Carbonara, but it's too unhealthy, so... Char. We'll wait until after Philippines and I can get really fat again. But we're trying to work to lose weight at the moment.
Do you need a plate?
Nope. All on the chopping board.
Ay nako, Danny boy.
Still good.
Sus.
That's alright, it's only one piece. Last one. That's all the mushrooms. Beautiful. There we go, beautiful. That's the colour.
Do you like red or yellow onion?
We've got all this going on and we need another camera pointing down, please. I'm going to chop this into quarters. You know what, we're going to chop it again for just for good luck. Okay. So stick that in there.
Char is using the chopper.
You need a chopper.
Do you really need to use the chopper for this recipe?
I do.
Wait.
I do. Let me do this. Oh. These onions are making me cry.
Aww.
Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have a bit of a break. I want you to take over the garlic, please, because I'm in the frying pan. While you're doing that, I'm gonna get the right frying pan.
Yuck, man. What did he cry about? It's okay, Mom.
I'm not crying. So boil some water for the pasta. Old Italian recipe, that one. Use a kettle to boil the water.
Old Italian recipe, Jim.
Alright, now next up, are you able to crush that for me and I'll film you?
Okay. You're still crying?
No, it's having a break. Please explain what you're going to be doing, my love.
Chopping onion and garlic.
Too much details. I'll tell you when. Alright. 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 Hold it down for longer, please.
That's it. Here you go.
Alright, we're going to start moving here to cook the mushrooms. Come on, my love. So when you put oil in, to get the oil cooking the best, you go anti-clockwise, like that.
Anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Counter-clockwise, you mean?
No, anti-clockwise.
Okay.
Just a bit more oil. Alright, there we go. And we put all the onions, or the mushrooms in. Beautiful.
How's the mushroom going?
Perfect. Exactly how I want it to go. It's slowly getting a nice brown tinge.
A what?
Brown tinge like that. Exactly how you want it. Right. Kettle's just boiled, so we're going to start pouring the water into that one. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. My hand's burning, my love. It's hot. Cooking is pain. There we go.
Ngayon ka nga lang nagluto, nagreklamo ka. Are you boiling again?
Yeah.
Kulang? Yeah.
Second shot.
Yep.
Right, let's put this in now. It's all time to... Garlic, onion, we're going to start getting this going here. Cooking. Gives it the flavour. I couldn't find any Italian herbs, babe, in the cupboard.
I'll get it for you.
I don't know if we've got any more left. Used to have a whole heap.
Yes, we do.
Heaps.
When do you need it? Do you need it now?
Not quite yet.
Okay.
Soon to be great. Looking magnificent. Marvellous. We'll do this. Oh, look how... Wow. Wow. I'm such a good cook.
I'll get you the Italian herbs.
Thank you, my love. That's the one. Good job, my love. Italian herbs, made at Coles. I might just do it.
What's that?
Bit of salt. We'll do a bit more later, but that's just enough to... While this is slowly cremating, it's...
Huy, cremating?
It's cremating, my love.
Nakataka lang din siya, eh.
Simmering. It's cooking.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Looking good.
Next up is freshly grounded parsley. There's a shake of that. There we go, shake and bake.
Wow.
That's plenty. Trust me. That's alright. Beautiful. Alright, I'm out.
Napadami.
It's gonna be the best pasta ever.
Did you say the best parsley ever or pasta ever?
Pasta. Alright. Let's get one of these bottles going now.
That's the special red sauce.
Special homemade pasta sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. I love it. It's fantastic. It is fantastic. I made this. This was made with love. Made with love. Come on. How lucky are you, seriously? Alright, cool. Done.
That's the last one as
That's the
well.
last one.
Did you forget something, my love?
Not at all. So what we're going to do is we do the beef separately because this has a different flavour, then we put it all together into one here. Okay? Let's just do that.
He was gonna put the beef first before the red sauce. Ay, nako.
That's all good. All doing good.
All going well?
All going to plan. There we go. What I'm going to do actually, I'm going to put this one back here to simmer.
Tulungan natin siya. Ay, narag na siya. Narag mode. Narag mode.
Alright, so the beef is almost cooked. We're going to mix these together, I would say. I reckon we're about ready to do it now.
Okay. Be careful.
Very watery still, but it should evaporate.
Yeah.
But we just gonna let it simmer for a while.
Yep.
Just to flood it down a bit.
Okay.
Alright, let's work out how much beef we need. How much are you gonna eat? A lot?
Now maybe 5.
It comes in. You like this actually.
Yeah, I know. I like ravioli. Oh! Can I do that?
Break it up.
Yeah, I'll do that. Wow, I like that. How many do we need?
We're gonna do 2 plates and then a bit extra.
So, how many?
I don't know, we'll have to see.
Why do we have to put it on the pasta plate now?
So I can work out how much. It's a little trick we do. It just breaks apart.
I like this.
Down here.
Gusto ko ito mga ganito.
That.
See? It's perfect. Na-miss ko tuloy yung meatballs. I miss the meatballs. Pasta with meatballs, your mom's. Maybe that much is enough for me.
Nah.
Yes, it is.
Nah.
For me, it is.
Nah. That's not, this, trust me, it's not enough.
It is
It's
for me.
not.
No, because it's... And then you will have
serious?
the sauce, babe, and mushroom. That's enough for me.
That shrinks, remember?
No, it doesn't shrink.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
No, it doesn't. Hindi kaya nagsishrink. Lumalaki.
You can have more than that, Raz.
Okay, 1 more. 2 more. That's it, I promise you. This is so satisfying, guys. I like doing this. Oh, the sauce looks really good!
It does.
A few moments later.
How's the sauce, my love?
Perfect.
Yeah.
When you film this, do it a few minutes later, and I can, you know, you saw when I did it, and then I can see what it looks like now. Bye. A few minutes later.
A few moments later.
Tinuturuan pa ako mag-edit. That looks really good.
Yeah, looks good.
Yummy! Have you tasted it?
Oh yeah.
Hot.
Oh. The best.
Is it actually really good?
That's alright. So water's boiled, pasta sauce is simmering. Just add a bit of oil in there.
In the water?
A bit of salt. Rhaze's pasta. Mine. Lots of water for so little pasta, my love. Lots of water for so little pasta.
Ikaw naglagay ng
I might even take
water.
some water out because it's just a lot of water. In there.
In it? That should be good.
Yeah.
Are you okay, babe?
Oh, good.
Do you want to cook every night?
Hell no. Hell no. 4 nights a week's enough for me, thank you very much.
What?
4 nights a week.
Okay, let's try. I'm gonna have mushroom with the beef. Okay.
hasn't killed you yet, so it must be good. Thank you, my love.
That's good. I like that.
Good.
Really meaty. I like the mushroom. Good flavor, babe. Good job.
You like your pasta sauce, how you like your man? Meaty. And cut. Ravioli's all cooked. Now we're just going to drain it. Very exciting. Look how exciting this is, my mum. Oh.
It's really good.
It's really good.
Ravioli, yummers.
Yummers.
That should be enough.
I'll just stir that around.
So para hindi mag-stick yung pasta, nilalagyan nila ng konting sauce.
Yeah.
Si Dan, sobrang dami
Now
nilagay.
watch me plate this up. Watch the chef. This is yours. It's yours.
Wow naman! That looks really good, babe.
Restaurant quality.
Yummers.
Is that gonna be enough for you, babe?
Oh yeah, that's a lot of food. Lagay tayo ng parmesan, guys. So good. Yummy. Sarap nitong pizza na to. Pizza? Pasta pala. Mahilig ako sa cheese eh. So, marami ako maglagay ng cheese. Yum! May pa-moscato kami. Bumili kami ng moscato kanina. Yummers. Thank you very much. Let's try this, guys. It's hot. That's really good, babe.
It's good? Okay.
That's really yummy. Good job.
That is good. Yeah, we're not crapping on it. That is good. I'm probably like the greatest cook ever. Alright.
This is good though. Really good.
There you go. Watch us see.
The mushroom is like a really good touch here.
Mushroom?
Yeah, I really like the mushroom. And the sauce is perfect.
It is very meaty.
Yeah, it's really meaty. It's really good.
I'm going to name this sauce after my last name. It's going to be called... You're going to beat that out, my love?
Can you make this again? Like, do you remember how you made it?
Yeah.
It was really simple.
I forgot the beef.
But we don't have the homemade sauce anymore. Yeah, iba. Magiging iba to. Yung sauce kasi nila, sila talaga gumawa. Sila magpipinsan yung gumagawa nun.
Is the pasta cooked perfectly or is it a little bit too long?
No, perfect.
Did I take it?
Siya nagluto, diba? Tapos inano ko lang yung video ko, transfer ko yung files. Tapos sabi niya, luto na. Sabi ko, luto na? Already? I was like, parang 5 minutes pa lang yung pasta dun. He tasted it and he's like, yeah, it's cooked. Taste it. Pagkagat ko pa lang, alam ko na hindi yun luto. Sabi ko, no, that's not cooked. Nakakain siya ng dalawang hindi cooked. Sabi niya, it's cooked. Sabi ko, no, it can't be cooked. It's only 5 minutes in. Pag-check ko sa ano, sa packet, 15 minutes dapat lutuin. 5 minutes pa lang, sabi niya, luto na daw. Gutom lang to. And I can tell by the color, tapos yung shape niya, parang nasa original shape pa siya. Nag-expand siya ng konti, diba yung pasta? Pero sure na talaga siya naluto yun. Sabi niya, tinikman niya daw, buti na lang beef to. You can invite your mom around. And you cook her this.
Nah, she likes your Filipino food.
Well, she likes Australian food as well.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure she will be really happy when you cook for her.
We'll invite them around in the future. Maybe one night when Sissy's over, we'll invite them around.
And this was very simple to make as well. Good job. And you just made that up, right? Yeah. Gawa-gawa niya lang yung recipe na yun today. So, good job, my love. Good job.
There you go. There's still a few more pieces in here. Can you strap that into my love?
That was a success. Really, really, really good.
Thank you, babe.
I'm still working on my food, but it's already finished.
Yeah.
Really good. Good
That's
job,
good.
my love.
Thank you, babe.
Do you want to do this again? Cook for me tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. Nah, you're a much better cook than me.
No, this is really good. I like this.
Alright, our recipe will be down below.
Wow.
Nah, it won't be. Right, just follow how we did it. That was good actually. I reckon
Yeah.
I'll give it a 7.5 to 8 out of 10.
No, I'll give it a 9.
Nah.
For pasta, I do. I really do.
Nah. 7.5 to
Okay.
8, which is respectable.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, I'll take it. So it wasn't a fail. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Please like this video if you want to see more of Dan's cooking.
That's all I can do. I only got the 1 meal. If you want to see me cook this again, please like it and we'll cook it next week.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys.
Bukas.
Bukas!
See you
Bye guys.
Bye.
Be good. Mwah.
Mwah.